Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P oil, euro, and earnings report for August 8th, 2012, 8/8. Today, another quiet trading day. This is the third straight day where intraday we've only had about an 8-point range. From my point of view, it's very hard to trade these 8-point trading days. This is very, very light volume, not much trading. So today we did not make a higher high. We did make a higher low. We were down 6 points last night. Coming this morning, only down a 0.25. Rallied up, got to this 1400 level. So 1400 looks like psychology says that it's 1400 is a very critical level for us. If I bring up the 12-minute chart, which I trade on during the day, let me make sure my intervals are right. I actually took a sell setup right here at 1396. I'm still in the trade. I'm going to leave a stop above yesterday's high. So I'm going to take this trade overnight. I'm going to leave an 04 half stop, thinking that we might sell off tomorrow. So I did take a short in here. I also shorted Dow futures, which worked out. So basically unchanged in the minis today. Let's look at oil. I trade oil on a 5. Let me bring up the first chart. Make sure my interval is right. So a technical buy setup here. I didn't take either of these trades. So technical buy setup here. So sell setup, buy setup, sell setup. So there's 1, 2 traps in here, and then a good setup. So 2 traps in here. When the cloud is only, 10 cents wide, there's no way I'm taking an oil trade. If I looked at oil on the daily, oil continues to look strong. It looks like it wants to go higher. Another higher high. Touches 95 level. I think in oil we get up to 98.5. And then we could test over 100 at this 102 level. I think we're going to have a lot of resistance at this 100.81 level in oil. Next thing I want to look at euro. I continue to be short the euro, and I almost took my euro position off this morning, but I left it on. So on the 240, I got to make sure this is the 24-hour interval. So technically above the cloud, we had a buy setup here, 123.73. The stop would be lower at 122. I'm still in this trade. I got shorted around 123.81. I'm still short the euro. I'm just letting this one ride. It's not a very big position in my portfolio. A couple of trades I traded for earning. One was News Corp. So let me bring up News Corp. In News Corp, I bought the September 24 calls and sold the August 24 calls at this for 24 cents. As we see the stock reacting in after hours, not much movement. It's going to its 23.70 level. The goal on this trade is to have the August go to 0, and then I'll be left with the SEP 1, which is a bullish position in September. Another one I was looking at today was Monster Worldwide, and I talked about this in the live trading room, and I offered it as a 4 ways to play Monster Worldwide in the live trading room. One was buying the Strato, which would have worked out because the stock sold off all the way to $54. One was selling a Condor, which the stock rallied back, so that would have worked out. Another one was a put fly, which also looks like it worked out. So there's many different ways to trade stocks on earnings, and I explored 4 ways to trade Monster Worldwide. You have to get in the live trading room if you want all the trades, daily trading ideas, unusual option activity, and all my trades for equity, options, futures, and Forex. You can email sales at Keene on the Market for a demo. Have a great night. And, I'm trying to play on the cautious side, not taking as many trades as I've had in the past until we get conviction to the upside or this breakthrough through 1400. I just want to play on the sidelines for a little bit. So I've been trading a little bit more nimble, still trading the earnings, making about 10 trades a day. So email sales at KeeneOnTheMarket.com for a free trial, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks.